Welcome! In front of me I have Amazfit T-Rex 3 and I'm gonna show you how to track the amount of steps taken on this watch. We can track the amount of steps taken on this watch in few ways. The first way is to do it on the watch face. Some of the watch faces basically display that information. So if you wake up the screen and you see the current watch face, as you can see, this one displays it. But if you want to, you can open the watch face menu by pressing and holding on the current watch face. Find the watch face you like and check if it displays the steps. This one, I don't believe it does. No, this one displays the heart rate and the calories, doesn't display the steps. So let's look for something else. This one displays the steps, right here in the circle. And I believe there is more of them. This one also displays the steps. This one. So as you can see, there's quite few. So you can, or you have something to choose from basically. Okay. And the other way to check the amount of steps taken is to do it through the widgets. So we can swipe up on the home screen to open the widget menu. And here look for the activity widget. So basically the one that looks like this. And here we have the steps. And if you want to see the more detailed information, tap on it on the widget itself and it will open the activity menu, and here we can check the steps from the yesterday progression and today's progression. We have like a graph, and if you scroll down you can also open the weekly report, and here you can check the weekly progression for your step counter. Okay, and then you can press the back button to go back to watch face. And the last way to check the amount of steps taken on this watch is to do it in the phone application if your watch is paired to a phone. So I'm gonna move this to the side, zoom out the camera so you can see the whole screen of a phone. I'll bring our phone right here. Come on, we need to zoom out more. Yeah, like this. Wake up the screen on our phone. Oh, it's quite bright. Let's lower the brightness. Okay. And on the phone that is paired with our watch, we can open the Zep application. In the app, you will see the home page, and on the home page you can scroll down and look for these steps. Once you find them, you can tap on them to open more detailed information. And here we have daily, weekly progression, monthly, and yearly. And also you can check how often you reach the goal and stuff like that. Okay, and once you're done, you can close the application. And that's how you track the amount of steps taken on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.